I'm a dentist now.
Dentist schmentress! You no-account rebel! You left my staff one elf short!
You'd better be nice. One of these days, you'll need a dentist, and I'm the only one around.
I wouldn't let you touch my chompers with a 10-foot pole, you tooth maniac!
I found something.
Why, that's just toy stuffing!
Oh, it's stuffing, all right. We stopped using this kind years ago.
Footprints?
How peculiar.
And so Santa divided every elf, reindeer, and forest creature into search parties. Their mission? To find the toy taker by Christmas. They had precious little time to get the job done.
The pins mark the toy taker's path of mayhem and plunder.
He sure gets around, doesn't he?
He hasn't been here or here. Castaway Cove and the Island of Misfit Toys. Out of business? What happened?
There's not a peck of pepper or morsel of mint left in that stinky old peppermint mine. Me and Bumble mined it clean.
How about helping us catch the toy taker?
There won't be any toys for Christmas unless we find him.
Well, what are we waiting for? Wahoo! Mush! Come on! Mush! Oh, brothers.